Hello class, this is my week 6 discussion post on the effect a system development methodology can have on the culture of an organization. Choosing the correct development methodology for a project can positively or negatively affect the results of the development project. The project manager will need to ensure that they are using the correct methodology that fits their team and their project. You do not want to use a waterfall methodology on large projects that could have changing requirements throughout the life cycle of the project. This would mean starting over every time the customer or stakeholder makes a change to the requirements. The agile method would be more suitable for this particular type of project. The study done by Lavari Juhani and Huzman Magda studies the relationship between organizational culture and the deployment of systems development methods. The development methodology chosen shows to have a direct impact on the culture of an organization. I agree with the findings and believe that the culture is affected by the methodology chosen for the system development within the organization. Developers want to feel comfortable with the method that has been chosen, and all team members need to be on the same page for the project to be completed successfully. Kakale states that despite previous research that there is a strong evidence that in the correlation between strong organizational cultures and the system development methodology selected. This again shows the continuity on the team is vital to a project's success throughout the system development lifecycle. With so many organizations moving to the agile approaches to meet stakeholders' changing needs, there has to have been some backlash from more traditionalist developers. Although over time, they will have to adapt to the agile approach due to the popularity in fighting on the development methodology could cause conflict and later down the road lead to a failed project. Although developers may have some say in the development method, it is ultimately up to the project manager on what method best meets the needs of the project. It would be wise to take input from the developers so that the culture of the organization is not affected. Saji Matthew states that the system analysis and design projects, choice of methodology, and its implications on culture are still under investigation. More research needs to be conducted on the outcomes of culture for there to be any credible proof behind these claims. Overall, I feel that choosing the correct method that suits the team and the project can have a direct correlation to the culture and success of a project. Thank you for your time.